Bonfire night. Be careful on bonfire night. Enjoy all the excitement it brings. Remember the firework code, for fireworks can be dangerous things. Keep your fireworks in a container, away from the sparks that fly. Never go near a firework that's been lit, for you could lose the sight in your eye. Allow someone who is responsible to organize your event, for safety is most paramount. To enjoy a good night well spent. Wonder at the fireworks display, at a safe distance from the glorious sight. Eat your burgers and mushy peas, be thrilled by the spectacular night. When the firework display is over, when you leave that exciting place, you can return home knowing, this bonfire night you returned home safe.